They know.
Yeah,
What I'm gonna ask?
anything.
What's your name? Anong pangalan mo? Sabi mo buong pangalan mo.
Jasmine Chensa.
You have baby? May anak ka? Ilang taon na? How old?
1 years old.
You single mom?
Yes.
You still school?
Yes.
Where you live? Saan ka nakatira?
Angeles.
Ano, probinsya mo? Saan yung probinsya mo? Where's your province? Angeles pa rin, dito pa rin.
Where you go to school?
Ha?
High school?
Ano na yan? Sa fourth year.
How old you? How old?
18.
18. When you graduate high school? When she finish high school?
Kailan ka na nag-finish na high school? Ano? Last na lang, fourth year. She's
Ah.
still not finished because only fourth year eh. Diba?
One more year.
Oh, 1 more year pa.
You go college? You want to go to college?
But maybe expensive daw.
What she study?
She want nursing. But maybe the college daw is so expensive, maybe she stop.
How much?
Hope, help her
Yeah.
for go college. Because she
Yeah.
wants nursing.
Yeah, how much college?
5,000 every month.
Every month?
Or How about you? Anong pangalan mo? What's your name?
Maria Flor Dumaay.
How old are you? Ilang taon ka na?
18.
You have baby?
I don't have.
You still school?
Yeah.
Where you live?
Abacan. Angeles.
Province.
You have a Coke?
Angeles.
Still Angeles, your province?
Yeah.
Who with you in house?
My mom and dad.
May kapatid ka ba?
Yeah.
Sisters? Brothers?
Yeah, I have.
You have boyfriend?
I don't have boyfriend.
Before?
Before daw.
Before, yeah, I do.
You make
But
love?
now-
You make love? You make love your boyfriend?
Mahal mo daw ba yung boyfriend mo?
Yeah.
Sex? No.
No.
Only kissing.
Kissing and hugging.
Still virgin.
Oo.
Still virgin.
You save for your husband. You wait for husband.
Oo.
You're married.
Entayin mo daw ba magpakasal ka bago ka daw yung virgin mo?
Yes.
And you? You're virgin.
She have already baby na
You
daddy.
have already baby. You're not the married mother. You're not the married mother. Is it cold? Maribel, cold? Only one cold. Only cold.
Nakalive pala. Hope someone help them for school. Cause they want college but expensive.
They need to get a job.
Oh. Then maybe someone hiring. Cause the one wants work.
When you go to school?
Kailan kasi yung
You go
pasukan?
to school, vacation now.
July 29.
July 29.
You start soon.
Oh.
2 weeks.
That's why they need school supplies.
When you go to school? Monday through Friday.
Oh,
Yeah.
Monday to Friday. Saturday, Sunday, no class.
Okay. We figure it out.
Yeah.
Can you say like and subscribe?
Sabihin nyo daw, like this video and subscribe. Tas thank you. Dali na.
Like this video and subscribe. Thank you.